and welcome to NHIS in a Week. Coming up, NHIA keen on adding more packages to the health insurance scheme. Also in this bulletin, CEO charges football supporters to be active on the NHIS. NHIA team prepares for this year's City Business Olympics. Now to our first story. The CEO of the National Health Insurance Authority, Dr. Bernard Okoboy, has disclosed that his administration wants to provide improved service to members. According to him, the administration wants to add more packages to the health insurance scheme to benefit members. He said this on Asempa FM's Ekosi Sing program.
Based on that, we have signed the executive document approved by the board and the ministry. I'm sure from in the next days, all senior citizens in this country, 70 years and above, any day they register for insurance, it is active on the same day.
Oh, or register, yeah.
Is to give them complete cover and prompt cover as well. Unya 70 there, promoting, now I say, you check your status. Obi, we'll get there. In Ghana now, December is the active month. That's how we are going to call December now. If you are Ghanaian, not December, Drew, now Costa 99 and check whether you are active or not, then you are in big problem.
Now, the Central Regional Office of the Authority has organized its mid-year performance review meeting at the University of Cape Coast. The theme was sustaining the NHIS to achieve universal health coverage. The NHIS Regional Director, Mr. Fred Appiah, reiterated the CEO's strategic plan of the 5Ds are 2Ds agenda to drive the organization. He augmented that in the effort to sustain the NHIS to achieve universal health coverage, all stakeholders must abide by the terms of the game. The health facilities must be monitored to ensure they comply with the review tariff and the medicines list to curb or eradicate the illegal payment menace in the region. He emphasized that effective monitoring and supervision, cultivation of right attitudes towards work, and the installment of teamwork spirit are some strategies that could push the region into achieving its 2022 membership target. In order to access quality healthcare for all Ghanaians, the Client Services Unit of the Corporate Affairs Directorate hits the streets of Accra to educate Ghanaians to enroll in the scheme and constantly renew their membership. So the Chief Executive, Dr. Okoboy, is urging football supporters across the country to enroll into the National Health Insurance Scheme and stay active members. Dr. Okoboy, a big follower of the local game, led the authority into a partnership with the 4 new Ghana Premier League entrants, Achim Kutuku Royal, Samatex FC, Tamale City and Instrateman FC, to register their players, dependents, club officials and fans. At the unveiling of the event on Wednesday, he admonished football fans to take their health seriously by enrolling onto the scheme and not wait till one is sick before making such a move.
Now footballers are woman ebi mu timi call hospital na say be on insurance partnership we be sure say footballers say what things we nyina ya be ye card amount I health insurance be factor omu families omu ba omu yirimu obia ye be ye card amount omu supporters nso ye be card amount na health insurance the sika to wa ye be timi ye up to a maximum of 20,000 people connected to these teams. A good initiative. Now the Emma innovative. They say, Sebi, when you say partnerships and sponsors, because you discover will be said Sebi good. When you hear Sika, register Ghana for Amomanya cover. The only thing is Omo register no have something to do with the clubs. Now Abuama are driving up the numbers.
The Bono East Regional Director, Mr. George Opondankwa, who represented NHIA management at the swearing-in of the Board of Directors of Instrateman FC, one of the Premier League clubs with partnership with the National Health Insurance Authority, reiterated that the authority's objective is to register all Ghanaians onto the scheme while promoting sports development in the country.
Number, ya share we say one teams no eya omo bre ewo omo players no ayaresa ho enti no ye register sa 4 new teams ya aba premiership no ye register omo nyina players ni nyina edo match national health insurance mo ye register omo ewia enye se ye wie players no omo dependence ye can dependence e kire say omo dan players no ebetuma ye omo yerenom omo manom omo maame on papa no nyina so ye register omo nyina hye health insurance mu ya say register team no technical staff no nyina hye health insurance mu management team board members na ye register omo hye health insurance mu afa ye wia na team bia so no supporters ebeko park no ye hwe ne say nka mfie num a edi ye nimu no ebe so no nanka ye register team bia supporter 20,000 Asha health insurance mu free and get team nika it is already 4 teams like I said by 5 years now you know mo partnership no be kwa wie no na registered team bia support teams need 4 now supporters 80,000 in Asha health insurance mu.
Moving on, some selected staff from the Management Information Systems Directorate undertook a 3-day training program on Microsoft Project Server 2019 platform administration. The Project Server 2019 platform provides project management, work management and portfolio management capabilities for an enterprise. With this platform, the NHIA can now effectively initiate, select, plan and deliver projects while tracking time and budget, while also providing extensive reporting capabilities for management decision-making. The Corporate Affairs Directorate, Membership and Regional Operations and Management Information System Directorates of the Authority have had a collaborative dialogue with the Ministry of Gender and Social Protection on the single window citizen engagement services. The platform was established in 2018 by the ministry to strengthen systems and improve coordination among the social protection programs. The system provides a single entry point for grievance redress management for social protection flagship programs. The MOGCSP call center, named the Helpline of Hope, receives calls on behalf of the flagship program on their toll-free line 0800 800 800 and 0800 900 900, SMS short code 8020, and escalate the issue through the single window citizen engagement service unified case management system for redress. A renowned journalist and anchor of TV3 program Johnny Hughes has sponsored the registration of NHIS beneficiaries as part of his birthday celebrations. The registration exercise, which was carried out by the district office of the authority, took place at the TV3 office premises on Monday. The exercise, which was well publicized on TV3 network, realized over 200 beneficiaries coming from the public, all walks of life, and TV3 staff. Team NHI is optimistic about winning more trophies in this year's City Business Olympics, one of Ghana's biggest corporate sports events. It brings corporate organizations from various fields together and promotes healthy competition and interaction. Team NHI has signed up and will compete in most activities and sports disciplines. We spoke to the team lead for this year's event.
So, Team NHIS is participating in this year's City Business Olympics. We plan to bring home a lot of trophies. Our team has already started with intensive training during the weekend. We've also planned a warm-up session a week to the event where we plan to rehearse on indoor games like Oware, Ludo, arm wrestling, table tennis, cards, and a lot more. I take this opportunity to encourage all staff to be present because we are going to bring home trophies, so be there.
This week on Health Tips, we take a look at the signs and symptoms of anemia. This is how we wrap up this week's edition of NHIS in a Week. For more stories, do visit our website on www.nhis.gov.gh. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, NHIS TV, and all our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.